Miss Natalie. Welcome back to Primary Focus. Today we're going to take a look at phonics and an easy tool to help build your child's knowledge of spelling. They're called Elkonin boxes, or I like to call them letter boxes or sound boxes. So we'll take a look at how to use these boxes today. If you're interested in using these boxes for yourself, check out my Teachers Pay Teachers store. I have the boxes and some worksheets prepared on there. So level 1 of working with our CVC words and these letter boxes is just making the sounds of the word. So let's say I'm doing the word mat. I would say the word mat, then I would stretch it, mat, and then I would tap it out, m-at. I could take materials. I've got 3 cubes here. I'm sure you could find something fun that your child wanted to use and now represent the sounds with the cubes. M-at, mat. Some people also like to push them up, m-at, mat. Let's try with another word like fish. Fish, stretch it, fish. And now the sounds, f, I, sh. We know that fish ends with sh, but even though there's 2 letters, they make one sound. That's called a phoneme, the sound sh. So you might have multiple letters represented in one box. As your child gets older and they start to learn more letters and handwriting, you can repurpose these boxes as a spelling tool. So if I've got my word mat, I would say it, mat, stretch it, mat, tap it, at, and then write it, at. Other examples that you could use with your kiddo are, a word like dog, og, and other 3-letter words. As they start to get more advanced, you can start to do more advanced spelling, but still use the same 3 boxes. So my example before was fish, fish, ish, write it, ish, and sh goes together in one box. Another example of that could be a word like math, math. And now you've got th together in one box. The final way that you'll use this is if you are looking at words with sneaky E at the end, that's silent E. So let's say we are doing a word like cake. I would say cake and stretch it, cake. Tap it, ache, cake. So I'd start off just like normal, a, and then put my K in. The letter E is not actually making a sound here, so you just sneak it in. Let me show you with another one, like the word bike, bike, bike. And you just put them in and let that silent E slide in at the end. Okay. Thanks for watching today. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. I'd be happy to help you. Don't forget to try the worksheets that I have on Teachers Pay Teachers. I've got the link below so that you can find them there. See you next time.